Hello friends, in this video we will see methods of integration of rational algebraic functions. Now in the previous video we have seen how to integrate that. Here we consider examples on that method. The very first example we consider here is integration of dx divided by x square plus 2x plus 2. Now you can see we write it as integration of dx divided by x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 1 equal to integration of dx divided by, this is nothing but x plus 1 whole square plus 1. Now here we put x plus 1 equal to y. This gives us dx equal to dy. So that this integration dx divided by x square plus 2x plus 2, it will be converted into dy as dx equal to dy, and x plus 1, that is y square plus 1, and we know that this is a tan inverse of y plus integrating constant c. Now substituting the value of y, we get tan inverse of x plus 1 plus c, integrating constant c. Now second example, these are the very simple examples of integration. X plus 7 into dx divided by x square plus 4x plus 13. Here in this example we write the numerator x plus 7 equal to lambda into derivative of denominator. Derivative of denominator is x plus 4 plus mu. This is equal to 2 lambda x plus 4 lambda plus mu. Now equating the coefficient of x is here, coefficient of x is 1, and in this right side we have 2 lambda. This gives us lambda equal to 1 by 2, and constant term 7 equal to 4 lambda plus mu equal to 4 into lambda is 1 by 2 plus mu. We have here 2 mu plus 2. This implies mu equal to 5. 7 minus 2. Therefore this integration x plus 7 into dx divided by x square plus 4x plus 13, this will be like this. Lambda is 1 by 2 into 2x plus 4 into plus mu is 5 divided by x square plus 4x plus 13 into dx equal to, separating the numerator, 1 by 2 into integration of 2x plus 4 divided by x square plus 4x plus 13 into dx plus 5 into integration of 1 divided by x square plus 4x plus 13 into dx. You can see that here in this integration numerator is a derivative of denominator, and its integration is very simple, log of x square plus 4x plus 13 plus 5 into second integral 1 divided by x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 9. Let us call it as a I. Suppose this is equal to I. You can see that this I equal to integration of 1 divided by x plus 2 whole square plus 9. Now we put x plus 2 equal to y. This gives us dx equal to dy. Hence I equal to integration of dx is remain I equal to dx equal to dy y square plus 3 square, and its integration is tan inverse of y, right? Tan inverse of y by 3, tan inverse of y by 3 and 1 by 3, 1 by 3 tan inverse of y by 3. This is equal to 1 divided by 3 into tan inverse of y. What is y? Y is x plus 2 divided by 3, y divided by a. Substituting this value in the given integration, therefore integration x plus 7 into dx divided by x square plus 4x plus 13 equal to 1 by 2 into log of x square plus 4x plus 13 plus 5 divided by 3 into tan inverse of x plus 2 divided by 3. This is the simple process of integration of rational algebraic function. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video.